posted last. It has been very cold and snowy and horrible here, so I have not been able to ride the Highboy. But that's alright, because this is going to be an all-rounder right here. We got the new, to me, hi Midnight, you got to be in the video. To me, Yume X11 Plus. So I'm going from a 17 mile an hour scooter to a claimed 50 miles per hour scooter. I did not go with the Samsung battery because this scooter was actually out of my price range. What's up, buddy? Good boy. But instead of going with the Y11 Plus without the steering damper, I was gonna buy that separately, and then I got the the prices together, and I was like, wow, I might as well just buy this one because I already have a steering damper on it. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this unbox. And I'm not sure if this is just going to be an unbox video, or if it's going to be an unbox video and also, get that money, riding and review. Not sure yet, depending on how the weather holds up this weekend. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, that took way longer than I was expecting. Clear instructions on the top of the box. I just did not follow them very well. Okay. I love how it's black foam and not that gross styrofoam that gets everywhere. Alright, first look impressions. Here we go. Get it out. There we are. Oh man. Wow, them tires are huge compared to my Highboy S2. I can't believe I got one. I can't believe I freaking got one. Here, I'm gonna show you guys. And also, if you haven't noticed, the video quality, I don't know about the sound yet because I haven't tried it, but the video quality, I got a new GoPro thanks to a very, very generous donation on my Kick stream. I was able to get a GoPro, a new GoPro, and a new 3D printer, which we'll get to that in another video. But yes, I'm going to show you guys how it is boxed in here. Look at that. It is boxed beautifully, beautifully. Them tires are huge compared to my Highboy. Holy cow. Alright, alright. Let's get this bad boy out of here. Move this forward a little bit. Get it a little away from my kitchen table. Actually, I want to move my kitchen table back. Or dining room table. Alright, so first box here. We got our phone holder that came free with the scooter. Let's open that up, see what that looks like. I think it looks pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of wish it went with the color of the scooter, but you know what? This should definitely hold my phone, I hope. If not, I do have another phone. Holy cow, okay, yeah, that is actually really nice. Okay. Okay, how do we get this bad boy out? Oh, I need my knife. Where's my knife at? There it is. Yeah, you guys have no idea how ready I am for videos this summer. And if you're new here, when I post my first scooter ride video of this year, go back to my last scooter ride video. You'll notice, I mean I hope, you'll notice a huge quality difference. And it's all thanks to people on my Kick stream. I play video games and I do it for fun, but people graciously throw me some donations every once in a while, and it helps so much. I mean, it's the only reason why I can even do this. And also, I work my butt off at work. Alright, so here we got the handlebars. Alrighty. Those handlebars are huge compared to that Highboy. Wow, I mean, like I got it right here. Like, look at this. Handlebars for my Highboy. And I can't really, crap. I'll do a comparison in a minute. kids would pick up their toys instead of me tripping over them. Darn it. I thought I cleaned this area up before I started this. Okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this thing is really heavy. Here goes nothing. Come on. Come on. Whew. Whew. I've been working out for a year too. Holy cow, this thing's heavy. I don't know if I showed myself on video before. I might have. But I've lost, in the last month and a half doing fasting, 16 hours a day, about 5 days a week. For the last month and a half, I have went from 187 down to 171. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, anyways, we got a pump, for tires. I'm gonna keep that in my bag. Probably a good idea, I would assume, to keep in my bag. To take with me wherever I go. Because I'm not gonna lie, I've been kind of, I've been very spoiled with the Highboy not having tube tires. Now I know I could buy tubeless, but I hear tube tires has a little bit more give when it comes to like hitting bumps. Nice little pump. Not sure if you guys see that. I'm not sure if I should be recording my GoPro or just do it on my phone. I guess I'll find out after this video, to be honest. Okay, what else we got in here? Oh, just tripped over my pants. Alright, we got the bag. What does our Yume bag include? Because it is heavy. Let's see here. And sorry for the light quality. I live in a house that was built over 100 years ago, and I'm renting, so I can't really do a whole lot with the lighting in here. I have one whole light inside this whole entire room, and it's right there. So I really do apologize about the lighting. I don't have a ring light or anything. Alright, so we got, oh, it looks like oh, there's our headlight, okay. One out of the 3 headlights, the other 2 are installed. Alright. We got a finger throttle, it looks like. I don't know, I'm not going to use that because I'm just used to the Highboy having the thumb throttle. These, which I'm guessing are probably for the handlebars. Split ring collars. And then we got, okay, tools are, oh cool, they came with extra fuses. And we got a remote for the RGB lighting. So it's going to look just like my computer. Alright, let's move this box out of the way. They did not go very far. Okay. Yeah, this scooter is extremely heavy. Alright, let's go ahead and figure out. I think I gotta take those off, right? I'm guessing I take these red things off. So, we'll just do a time lapse because it's probably gonna take me forever to figure this out. Oh, there's actual instructions on how to do this. I'm such a dude. Alright, to conserve GoPro battery, I'm just going to stop it here, and then once I get it pretty well together, I want to start it back up because, I'll be honest, had I known this GoPro did not have interchangeable batteries and the battery in it would be absolutely horrible, I probably wouldn't have bought it. I've already gone down just from this video 100% down to 50, and that's only been what, 10-15 minutes. So that's very unfortunate, but yeah, I'll be right back.
Alright, we got the new scooter out today. I did write a little bit last week. The other day. Just to get a feel for it before I did this video. And I'm not gonna lie, It is hard to get used to. I'm hoping my mic quality is okay, because this mic is cheapo. I wouldn't say cheapo, but it is yeah. Alright, here we go. This thing is fast. It's scary fast. Very scary fast. 25 miles an hour, no problem. But yeah, I really love this thing. It was a pain to put together, but man, it's really worth it. Hopefully you can't hear my breathing on this mic. Hopefully that thing's gonna pick up everything. I'm really hoping it don't pick the wind up. Even though I got it in my helmet. But yeah, I am loving this thing. I won't ever have to it again. That's a beautiful day today, 41 degrees. Can't beat that. Can't beat that at all. This deck on this scooter is like 4 of my Highboy scooters. It's crazy. It's awesome though. Where there's a bunch of grass and stuff I can do a little off-roading in. So that would be fun, I would think. And I will say I'm not used to this thumb throttle because my thumb's cramping up. But I'll get used to it. I'll definitely get used to it. This one's getting so fast. Do that at all. I'll have to message Yume about that and ask him why that does that. I wouldn't think it's because it's cold out. You know what I mean? Oh, you know what? That's probably why. I'm on max. An average. There we go. There we go. I have no idea where I'm at. I'm thinking I probably should turn around. Big bird. Go ahead and turn around here. I have no idea where I'm at. I'm sure you're getting some good noise now. cruise control. Maybe it does, I don't know. I'll have to look at the app later. It is a beautiful day out there. I went riding in the snow the other day. Oh my god, I got home and my hands were almost perfect, even with my gloves on. I will say, I think my gloves are a little tight. It could be why my hands, my fingers cramping today. Would be a good reason why. This mirror don't do a dang thing when I take it off. It just flops around, especially at higher speeds. I feel like I need to put my handlebars up a little higher. I'm not sure though. I gotta go do some research about how high you want my handlebars to safely ride. We're gonna go all the way around to the car. The nice thing about this gear, it has a steering thing, so I can look behind me. And, you know, I accidentally steer over the left or the right, depending on which way I'm looking behind me. And I like that. I really like that. But yeah, if this mic doesn't work out, I do have another one. It's a recording box, or whatever you want to call it. Where I just record into a little box, and then I put it on the computer. So, if this don't work, hopefully that does. So how many places in my home right now? So it doesn't get, you know, muffled or too much noise, you know what I mean? How many places at all? Sorry. This needs to go definitely a little bit. That's one thing I noticed that I took my GoPro. I got two of them actually. I tried my switch for a little square one, a little session. That's good for just being up front on my tire. But I also got a GoPro. I don't remember what one it is actually. But it was like $189 on sale or something like that. And from what I've seen so far, with doing little video tests at home, it's nice. I went back to my last scooter video. Look at that one compared to this one and take a peek at the quality. Not the mic though, because I don't know what the video quality is. It's a little chilly today. It's only 41 degrees. My hands are starting to get a little cold.